In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can refund a Steam game. So this is very easy. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video for more. All you need to do is open Steam, then go to Help right here and Steam Support. Now here you will see the recent purchased products, but if it doesn't appear there, you can go right here, view complete purchasing history, and here you will see all your history. In my case, let's say I want to refund this game. You just need to click there and select any of these options, for example this one, and here you have the refund option, so click there. It will check if you can request a refund, and then you will see something like this. So this is the price of the game. It will be refunded to your Steam wallet or the payment method you have chosen. In my case, I paid with Steam wallet, so I will get the money in my Steam wallet. And of course, it will remove the game from my Steam library. So then we can choose any refund reason. It doesn't really matter. So, and then submit the request and you will get the refund in just a few hours. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.